Hi boys and girls, today we're reading a really fun story called The Little Red Hen. And in this story you will find out how to make bread, and also you will find out that there is some kind of problem in this story. And I want you to figure out what's the problem, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. The Little Red Hen, written by Ottolenghi. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Once upon a time, a little red hen lived on a farm with a dog, a pig, and a cow. The little red hen grew flowers to make into special teas. The dog, the pig, and the cow lazed about in the warm sun. They ate and slept and watched the little red hen work in the garden. The dog is being lazy, the pig is being lazy, the cow is being lazy. Who's doing all the work?
The hen.
The hen is doing all the work.
Okay.
So the characters in the story is the dog, the pig, and the
Cow.
and also
The hen.
the hen is also the character, yes. The little red hen scratched the ground every morning looking for her breakfast. One day, she dug up some grains for wheat. Look, she squawked to the other animals. If we plant this grain, we'll have bread with our tea. So she found a piece of grain. She wants to plant it. What will happen if she plants it? Who will help me plant the grain? Asked the little red hen. Not I, said the dog. I'm gnawing this bone. Not I, said the pig. I'm stirring the mud. Not I, said the cow. I'm swatting flies with my tail. The little red hen sighed a little sigh. I guess I'll have to plant it myself, she said.
Okay.
And she did. So she found the grains and she planted it all by herself. All summer long, the little red hen watered and weeded her wheat. The dog, the pig, and the cow always said they were too busy to help. So finally, once you water, you see the plants are growing? What do you think is going to be on the plant? By the end of the summer, the wheat stood tall and golden. It was ready to be cut and threshed. Who will help me cut and thresh the wheat? The little red hen asked the other animals. Not I, said the dog. It's nap time. Not I, said the pig. There are new apples to eat in the orchard. Not I, said the cow. I'm chewing on my cud. The little red hen sighed a big sigh. I guess I'll have to thresh it myself, she said. And she did. She's working all alone. She cut the wheat with her sharp beak. Then she tied it into bundles and she shook all of the grains. So this is wheat when the grains are falling out. What do you think she's going to use that for?
Bread.
Very good. The little red hen loaded the wheat grains into a wheelbarrow. It would be nice to have someone help pushing this to the mill, she thought. Who will help me take the grain to the mill? The little red hen asked the other animals. Not I, said the dog. I have to guard the farm. Not I, said the pig. I can't walk that far. Not I, said the cow. I would get lost. The little red hen hummed a little hump. I guess I'll have to take it myself, she said. And she did. At the mill, the miller poured the grain between the millstones. The stones turned round and round, grinding the grain into soft, powdery flour. So it became flour. The road back to the farm was dusty and the wheelbarrow was heavy. But the little red hen forgot her tired wings every time she imagined how scrumptious her fresh baked bread would taste. She was excited about making yummy bread. So she kept on pushing. She's going to push all the way to the farm. When she got back to the farm, she asked the other animals, "Who will help me bake some bread?" "Not I," said the dog. "I don't know how to cook." "Not I," said the pig. "I have to curl my tail." "Not I," said the cow. "I'm too big for the kitchen." The little red hen humped a big hump. "Oh, I guess I'll have to bake it myself," she said. And she did. Are the other animals being nice right now? Not at all. The little red hen made bread dough by mixing the flour with some salt, water, and yeast. After the dough rose, she put it in the oven to bake. Soon a warm, fragrant smell filled the farmyard. The little red hen pulled the loaf out of the oven. The outside of the bread was crusty and golden. The little red hen knew the inside would be white and chewy and delicious. "Who will help me eat the bread?" the little red hen asked the other animals. "I will," said the dog, watching the farm his hungry work. "I will," said the pig. "That wonderful smell makes my mouth water." "I will," said the cow. "I'm finished with my nap." The little red hen shook her head. "No, you won't," she said. "Why not?" asked the other animals. "You would not help me plant the grain," said the little red hen. "You would not help me cut and thresh the wheat. You would not let me take the wheat to the miller. You would not help me bake the bread. So you're not going to help me eat the bread either. I will eat the bread myself." And with the nice cup of tea, she did. The end. So we just finished The Little Red Hen, and we're going to go over the characters, the problem, and the solution. Okay? So from this story, The Little Red Hen, the characters are the cow, the pig, the dog, and the hen. The problem in this story was that no one helped the hen with baking the bread. The solution was the hen had all the bread to herself since she did the hard work. No pain, no gain. How to make bread. Can you figure out the sequence of how the hen made the bread? Put them in order. Here are the answers. First, the hen plants the grains. Then it turns into wheat. Then she takes it to the miller and it becomes flour. And then she bakes her bread. Good job. Okay, we hope you enjoyed our book and go and make some yummy bread. Hello again. So since we just read the book, The Little Red Hen, we thought we could make our own special what? Bread. So what you need is flour. How did the flour feel? Did we touch the flour?
So soft.
It felt like a powder, right? And the next ingredient is yeast. And it kind of feels like sand grains, right?
Yeah.
And this, it's so powerful in your food because it makes the flour really soft and it rises the bread. So you'll see when you work with yeast and it's going to rise up the flour and we're going to show you. So let's get started, Sahil?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So to make some yummy, delicious bread, you need 3 cups flour. So make sure you have your cup for the flour. You need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of yeast. We want to make this a little sweet, so we're adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. And we also are adding some yogurt. Yogurt also has some nice texture. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Also, you need saran wrap. And we'll talk about why in a bit. Okay, so Sahil, 3 cups flour. Make sure to use not too hot or cold water. Lukewarm water is great for activating yeast and making soft bread. Add a little bit of oil. Excuse me. I'm just going to massage it, and all you're going to do is like this. Press and do that. What I'm going to do
is it more oil?
I'm just putting some oil around the bowl. So, some oil around the bowl. That way, it won't stick to places. So I think we are good with the dough.
I'm not ready yet.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in here. And then you wanna do the honors?
Yeah.
Wait, let me open it up for you. You can go ahead and cover your bowl and let it rest 1 to 2 hours on your kitchen countertop. If you are in a hurry, you can put it in the oven with light on for 45 minutes. After 2 hours, your dough should rise and double in size. Add flour and knead more and make your desired shape. You guys are having fun making bread just like the little red hen?
Yeah.
Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we are going to poke some holes using a fork. Now, you wanna do the poking part, okay? You can brush the bread with olive oil, that's optional. Once your oven is preheated to 425 degrees, cook bread 18 to 22 minutes or until golden brown.